Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to view Ubuntu on the full screen on VirtualBox. After installing the Ubuntu on the VirtualBox, whenever you try to increase the resolution of Ubuntu, you can see this, it is not working and the Ubuntu screen is fixed on the certain area. So to fix this, you need to do the certain things. So let me view it on the full screen mode. So you can see this here, it isn't working here and the situation is pretty much same. So to solve this, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, click on devices and choose the insert guest edition CD image. So after inserting the guest edition CD image, open the files. Inside files, choose the guest edition CD image right here. So after opening it, right click on it and open it on the terminal. So after opening the guest edition image on the terminal, so let me at first view what is inside this guest edition image. So let me type ls. So after down here you can find the VirtualBox Linux edition.run. So you need to copy this. So after copying it, you need to run a command. So for that, type sudo dot and slash, and you need to paste that what you copied just now. So after this, you need to run this. Type your user password. So here you go, the things are done here, and now you need to close this, and now you need to shut down your Ubuntu system. So after this, you need to get inside the settings of the Ubuntu, and in display section, you can find this video memory. You need to set video memory somewhere between the half. So according to your system capability, set it to half, 60 to 66 MB. So after this, just close this, and you need to again start the Ubuntu system. So let me increase its resolution. So here we go. It is working now. The Ubuntu is not fixed to a certain area. So whenever I maximize this, so here we go, the auto resolution is automatically set. So now let me view it on the full screen if it is working or not. So here we go, it is working perfectly fine. So now you can just eject the guest edition image, and you can continue enjoying the Ubuntu system. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys find my video informative. Hope you guys subscribe and like my video. See you guys on the next video. Until then, signing out.